Welcome to Vixsun Precision Company Limited, your trusted partner for custom engineering and manufacturing solutions for various industries. We focus on offering a comprehensive range of services, including product structural design, mold design, die casting, and CNC machining, providing seamless support from the initial concept to rapid prototype to full-scale production. Our team of experienced engineers, each with over 10 years in the industry, collaborates closely with clients to develop solutions tailored to their needs. Whether you're launching a new product or optimizing an existing one, our expertise and state-of-the-art equipment ensure the success of your project. Trusted by over 100 global customers, we help our customers achieve their manufacturing goals with fast, cost-effective prototyping and production. We are aiming to become not only a supplier of parts, but also an integrated element in the value-added chain of our customers. We invite you to watch this video to explore our capability further. You will get an insight into our advanced facilities and processes. These resources enable us to deliver exceptional quality and reliability in every project, from minor components to complex assemblies. If you're seeking a partner with the capability and experience to meet your custom manufacturing needs, visit our website and contact our team today. Together, we can bring your vision to reality.